Hey guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my little kitchen. I hope you've all had a fantastic festive period with your loved ones. Happy New Year. Now, we're kickstarting 2022 with a fantastic simple recipe, which is for corn chaat. Now, chaat comes in many different variations with different ingredients, and this one has to be one of the most simplest ones that you can just throw together. Just requires a few ingredients from your kitchen and you're going to have the most amazing tasty chaat ever. So let's run through what we need to make corn chaat my style, and then we'll start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need is approximately 300 grams of sweet corn kernels. These are tinned. All I've done is popped them into a sieve and just rinsed them under cold water and let them drain. I've got a small red onion here which I finely diced. I've got 2 small tomatoes. I've taken the seeds out, left the skin on, and I've diced them too. I've got 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and here I have 1.5 tablespoons of tamarind sauce, which is just a pre-made out of a bottle. I've got here green chutney, which is basically fresh coriander and mint leaves, which I've just popped into my food processor with a little bit of water, and I've just blitzed it to a puree, and I've sieved out the water, so we don't want to add water into this. I've got 1 teaspoon of chaat masala here. I've got 1/2 teaspoon of the following: regular red chili powder and black salt. Now, if you don't have black salt, then you can substitute this with normal cooking salt. And I've also got roughly 2 tablespoons worth of freshly cut coriander. So let's start cooking. Right, to prepare our corn chaat, we need to take a bowl which is big enough to accommodate our ingredients, and into that we're just going to go in with the sweet corn first of all, and then the diced red onion, the diced tomatoes, the tamarind sauce, the green chutney, the chaat masala, chili powder, and the black salt, and then the lime juice straight over like that, and finished off with the freshly chopped coriander, and just mix everything together. Oh, this looks good. Smells amazing, and my mouth has started to salivate. Oh wow. Just make sure that's well combined. And that is perfect. And all we're going to do is we're going to take our plate and just pop that in there and serve immediately. Oh my God, look at that. How beautiful does that look? So quick, so easy. And there you have it, guys. The quick and easy corn chaat, perfect to serve up for an evening snack with your tea. So let me tuck into this now and tell you guys exactly how it is. So there you have it, guys. My corn chaat is all ready, and just look how appetizing that looks. Time to tuck in right now and tell you guys exactly how it is. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that is honestly so good. Oh, you've got the tanginess coming through from the lime juice, then you've also got the crunchy onions, you've got the sweet tomatoes, you've got the tamarind in there, you've got the fresh coriander. Wow. But you don't have to serve this just on its own if you didn't want to. You can if you really do, but I'm going to serve it up with some tortilla chips here, and this works as a perfect little salsa to go with this. Mmm. That is delicious, guys. Try the recipe out, you won't be disappointed. Gonna get off the camera now and I'm gonna enjoy this. So I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen today. If you found the recipe helpful, then please do give it a big thumbs up, I'll appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already, turn bell notifications on, and I'll catch you next week with a new one. Till then, take care and happy cooking.